Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Tarlac. And take note, unlimited yakiniku ang pupuntahan natin.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this new restaurant, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Guys, this is our table. Getting ready na po kami. We are waiting for yung first serving natin, which is the unlimited yakiniku.
Unlimited for only 599 pesos. Meron ka ng beef, pork, and chicken.
Now, if you do not want beef naman, so meron silang chicken and pork, which is 499 pesos only. So it depends on you guys. Are you ready?
Yes,
Actually, gutom na ako.
Come on.
Gutom na ako.
Bring it on.
Gutom na rin ako.
What we have on our table, so meron tayong chicken, beef, and syempre yung kanilang pork. So for our side dishes naman, so meron tayong corn butter, kamochi, meron din tayong macaroni salad, namuru, tamago soup, fried noodle, fried rice. At the same time, meron tayong sweet tea. Mamayang dessert, meron din tayong one ice cream.
So ayun guys, right after natikman natin ang kanilang unlimited yakiniku, tikman naman natin yung kanilang mga a la carte. May space ka pa ba?
Yes, actually, pinaghandaan ko to.
Ako guys, for Japanese food, I will make space. So tara, lipat na tayong table. Para sa ano natin, yung cooking plate natin. This is Yogan. Actually came from Mount Fuji. Yung lava niya, if you notice, ayan, may mga cavity pa siya, no? Naman, ha? Ooh, still steaming.
Lambot. To give you an idea, so yung mga meat natin, pag a la carte, ay mga Japanese meat sila.
Naman. Right after natin matikman yung kanilang unlimited yakiniku, niluluto naman ni Jan tsaka ni Joyce yung ating mga a la carte. Now, for this table, meron tayong tori karage for only 199 pesos, ebi tempura, 329 pesos only, Japanese sausage, 289 pesos. If you're going for Wagyu, go for Wagyu beef cube, 299 pesos. Meron din tayong Wagyu kalbi, 1,129 pesos naman yun. Fuji mixed treats, 369 pesos only. Meron din tayong mga maki, crazy kani maki, California maki, at saka spicy tempura maki. It starts at 229 pesos up until 269 pesos for the maki. Now, what I like about sa mga a la carte din natin, they allowed us to taste yung kanilang mga sauces. So, meron tayong shiodare. They also have the spicy yakiniku at saka yung non-spicy yakiniku sauce. So, I think it's already done. So, kakain na kami.
Irashaimase, I'm Apple. Welcome po sa YAKINIKU FUJI restaurant. Ang highlight ko po dito sa Japanese restaurant ay Wagyu beef, Wiener sausage. It's all Japanese product. Ang unli po namin is all premium beef, pork, and chicken for $599. Dito nyo po matitikman ang aming yummy original sauce from Japan. I've been in Japan for a long time, so I know already the taste of Japanese. I adapt because I lived there for 30 years. Magtayo po kami ng restaurant para po matikman nyo At kahit hindi na po kayo magpunta ng Japan, matitikman nyo po ang authentic, yummy Japanese food. Dito po kami sa Barangay Talaga, Capas, Tarlac. Sa El Nino front of apartment po at dito side po ay Deluxe Bag Corporation. Yakiniku Fuji no resto kite kudasai. Tatagalugin ko po. Welcome po dito sa aming Japanese restaurant na Yakiniku Fuji Japanese Restaurant. Please come po sa aming authentic Japanese restaurant po.
What an experience. Grabe. Sulit na sulit ang biyahe natin. All the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, dito sa Capas, Tarlac. We were served well.
Yes.
Salamat. Guys, I want to share with you. So, we would like to thank Jin. So, yung mga furnitures natin dito came from that business. If you use this one, you're gonna get 10% off.
Yakiniku Fuji is open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. They are located dito sa may MacArthur Highway, Barangay Talaga, Capas, Tarlac.
Guys, if you are looking for authentic, no?
Yes.
They really claim it with the big A. Authentic Japanese cuisine. Look no more. Dito po sa Yakiniku Fuji, and they are serving those kinds of dishes.
Yeah. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching.
Pampanga.
Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys.